Does anyone really think aircraft design nowadays could ever ignore electrical power? Of course not. What's needed are new ideas to go even further in modern power-optimized aircraft systems, thinking about new and different electrical systems architectures, thinking about the solutions which meet the growing needs for electrical power on board future platforms, as well as reducing the global cost of ownership for your customer, and thinking about flexibility and modularity in meeting power requirements, just where it's needed and especially when it's needed. From engine start to air conditioning, right through to braking systems. So, to bring your project into the light of day, think about finding a partner who can throw into the balance their solid support, from advanced studies all the way through to aircraft operations, investing in the human and technological energy that is essential to your success. And think about finding a partner who can add to your project their experience acquired on a daily basis in military and civil aviation worldwide. Think about putting the power of imagination to work for your projects at Thales Avionics Electrical Systems. Now that's powerful thinking.
Thank you very much, and I do wish you a very enjoyable flight this afternoon.